Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Gone are the days when Agbada styles look the same. Here at Kitan's Clothing, your Agbada can be in your favorite color, characterized as you desire to have it. When you think of elegance, luxury, exclusiveness, you think of Kitan's Clothing. Finest quality fabric is our trademarks. We also sell fitting caps and matching footwears for various clothing designs. Kitan's Clothing originated from the UK, and our vast experience has kept us on top of our games over the years. Are you looking for that latest Agbada style for your wedding, birthdays, and every other exciting social function? Do you like it simple or classic? Do you prefer it sharp or attention-grabbing? Then search no more. We got you covered here at Kitan's Clothing, your home of exclusive designs. We are located at 19 Okwebi Road, Ikeja, Lagos. You can contact us today on the following numbers: 0803 727 8108 or 0818 585 1000. You can also reach us on our website at www.kitanscasualwears.com, or you can follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page at Kitan's Casual Wears. Kitan's Clothing, embodiment of elegance.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.